What's up, y'all? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Oxylam cargo lights. Now, I do want to mention really quick that I was given this product in exchange for a video. So I'm going to keep it honest, and I am going to do a long-term review. So I will keep up with that as well and see how they perform long-term, because that's what really matters, right? So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So to remove the 4 screws, it does have the flat. It does have the option for you to use a flat screwdriver, or you could use a T20. But we're gonna go ahead and use a T20 just for. Now just turn this around and it'll come right out. So here we have the Auto One bulbs. Now let's go ahead and test them out before I continue putting them. They work. Definitely make sure that they work before putting the whole assembly back on. So there you go. You see them working, and the polarity, it doesn't matter which way you put them, they will still work. Let's go ahead and put it back. Now you can go ahead and put them back, and preferably hand tighten them. So yeah, hand tighten them once you get close. I would not recommend to do it just with the drill. Let's try them out. There you go. They're on. Now, what I am going to do is get you guys a night shot. All right, everyone. So here are the Oxylam cargo lights. And there you go. They're very bright. You can see it shines the whole road down that way. So they're very bright. And if you all would like to check them out, I'll leave a link below in the description box. If you did like this video, don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite cargo lights are. And we'll see you guys on the next one.